Selena Gomez, who has recently been named by the Times Woman as one of the ladies who is changing the world. She is a former Disney star who at one time was a UNICEF ambassador, and as of today she is among the highest earning young celebrities in the world with over 128 million followers. Selena Gomez is the most followed person on Instagram around the globe. Early life. Selena Mary Gomez is the daughter of an Italian origin Amanda Dawn Corrent and a Mexican Ricardo Joel Gomez. They gave birth in her in 1992 in Texas, and when Gomez was just 5 years, the parents divorced, leaving her in the hands of her mother. She has two other siblings, Gracie Elliott Tife and Victoria Gomez. During her growing up, she was raised in a very difficult environment where the mom was struggling even to put some food on the table. But she did everything she could to provide for her daughter with the 3 jobs she undertook. The parents had to go back to school, and Selena was left with her grandparents, who raised her up until she found success. Personal life. Currently, Games is dating for her following singer The Weeknd, but she once dated Justin Bieber and also Nick Jonas. Age, height and weight. Being born on 22 July 1992, Selena Gomez is 29 years old as of today's date, 1st October 2021. Her height is 1.65 meter tall and weight is 53 kg in kilogram. Career. Gomez's acting career began when she was very young, and her very first role was in Barney and Friends series 2002, which she made it to 14 episodes till 2004, and in 2005 she made an appearance in Spy Kids 3D Game Over 2003, Trial by Fire 2005, and a series called The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. Between 2007 and 2012, she was a part of Hannah Montana in 2007, but she would later get a spot in Disney series Wizards of Waverly Places, which was a success, automatically propelling her to success too. During this period, Gomez recorded several songs for various films such as Cruella de Vil, for Disney Mania 6, Fly to Your Heart, for Tinker Bell, and Tell Me Something I Do Not Know. When she was just 16, Hollywood Records signed her up, and in 2008 she opened her production company called Jolly Moon Production that was responsible for 2 films, What Boys Want and 13 Reasons Why. In 2009, she formed a pop rock band called Selena Gomez and The Scene, and in the same year released a debut studio album that received a mixed reception, through the second album, A Year Without Rain, was a commercial success. In her music solo career that began in 2012, she released 2 albums, Star Dance in 2013 and Revival in 2015. Some of the other films Gomez has participated in her hotel Transylvania 2012, 15 and 18 voice role. Ruderlust 2014, Neighbors 2, Sorority Rising 2016, Puppy 2017, among numerous others. Award and achievements. Gomez has won a total of 85 awards and has been nominated 142 times. Some of the awards she was won are American Music Awards, 3 Escape Pop Music Awards, 9 Bravo Toto, 10 American Nick Holden Kids Choice Awards, 17 Teen Choice Awards, among others. Net worth and salary of Selena Gomez in 2021. As of October 2021, Selena Gomez's net worth is estimated to be $80 million. She has made her money through acting in films, the sale of music, and lucrative endorsements deals. As of today, she has sold more than 24 million songs and over 3 million albums. Some of the companies she has an endorsement deal with are Adidas, Pantene, Coca-Cola, Coach, Inc. and recently Puma. The boast her net worth. She has her clothing line called Dream, outlawed by Selena Gomez, and her several fragrances called Selena Gomez by Selena Gomez and Viva More by Selena Gomez. Selena Gomez's net worth clearly is a result of hard work and proper utilization of one's talent. Today she has become a pop star, and soon enough she is going to take her place among the music legends. For those young girls with no hope, let Selena Gomez be a motivation to you that despite the challenges you encounter, you can make it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And